NLN NEX Revision Guide. Question 1. Which probability describes drawing a red card from a set with 4 red and 4 blue cards in this wellness app item? Option A, 1/2. Option B, 1/2, 1. Option C, 2. Option D, 1. The correct answer is option. Probability is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, so the result is 4/8, simplified to 1/2. The other choices use blue cards, compare red to blue only, or invert the fraction. Question 2. During a quick NEX review of a practice timer item, which word is closest in meaning to reluctant in a science paragraph? Option A, eager. Option B, hesitant. Option C, silent. Option D, formal. The correct answer is option. Reluctant means hesitant, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Eager means willing, not hesitant. Silent means quiet, not hesitant. And formal means official, not hesitant. Question 3. After checking the choices in an exam readiness item, which answer identifies the process moves water across a semi-permeable membrane? Option A, osmosis. Option B, transcription. Option C, mitosis. Option D, exocytosis. The correct answer is option. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Transcription copies DNA information into RNA, mitosis is cell division, and exocytosis moves materials out of a cell. Question 4. If a quick review stem gives one clear clue, which answer best explains the author's point? A clinic sends appointment reminders, and missed visits decline. Option A, appointments no longer need scheduling. Option B, reminders can help patients remember appointments. Option C, reminders caused more missed visits. Option D, patients cannot benefit from reminders. The correct answer is option. The decline in missed visits supports the role of reminders. Appointments no longer need scheduling is not supported by the passage, reminders caused more missed visits is not supported by the passage, and patients cannot benefit from reminders is not supported by the passage. Question 5. When time is limited on a hard question, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, radiation. Option B, evaporation. Option C, conduction. Option D, convection. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Radiation transfers energy by waves, evaporation is liquid changing to gas, and convection moves heat through fluid circulation. Question 6. Given the information in an easy question item, which milliliter amount equals 0.25 L? Option A, 250 ml. Option B, 25 ml. Option C, 2500 ml. Option D, 2.5 ml. The correct answer is option. 1 liter equals 1000 ml, so 0.25 times 1000 equals 250 ml. The other choices use 10, 100, or 10,000 as the conversion factor, which shifts the decimal to the wrong place. Question 7. Suppose a similar mock test item appears on test day. Which word is closest in meaning to significant in a science paragraph? Option A, minor. Option B, distant. Option C, damp. Option D, important. The correct answer is option. Significant means important, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Minor means not important, distant means far away, not important, and damp means wet, not important. Question 8. While working through a timed diagnostic set, which answer identifies the tiny air sacs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A, bronchi. Option B, alveoli. Option C, nephrons. Option D, villi. The correct answer is option. Alveoli provide thin, moist surfaces where gases diffuse between air and blood. Bronchi carry air toward the lungs, nephrons filter blood in kidneys, and villi absorb nutrients in the intestine. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a final review item, which answer best explains the author's point. A study found that students who practiced with timed sets felt more comfortable during the actual exam. Option A. The exam has no time pressure. Option B. Comfort never changes with practice. Option C. Timed practice can build exam familiarity. Option D. Timed sets remove all content gaps. The correct answer is option. The passage connects timed practice with increased comfort. The exam has no time pressure, is not supported by the passage, comfort never changes with practice, is not supported by the passage, and timed sets remove all content gaps, is not supported by the passage. Question 10. A student sees this question bank idea on a NEX review. Which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A patient says, "I feel better, so I stopped the medication early," in a health literacy passage. Option A. The patient fully understood the instructions. Option B. Medication should always be stopped early. Option C. Teaching is unrelated to medication use. Option D. The statement shows a need for clearer teaching about completing treatment. The correct answer is option. Stopping early can be unsafe depending on the medication and condition, so teaching is needed. The patient fully understood the instructions, does not follow from the situation, medication should always be stopped early, does not follow from the situation, and teaching is unrelated to medication use, does not follow from the situation. Question 11. One workbook page practice problem tests this skill, which sum equals 1/6 plus 1/6. Option A 1/3. Option B 1/6. Option C 1/3, 1. Option D 0. The correct answer is option. The denominators are already the same, so add the numerators, 1 plus 1 equals 2, then simplify to 1/3. The other choices subtract the numerators, multiply parts of the fractions, or change the denominator unnecessarily. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a study notes item. Which word is closest in meaning to vital in a science paragraph? Option A, essential. Option B, distant. Option C, ordinary. Option D, optional. The correct answer is option. Vital means essential, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Distant means far away, not essential. Ordinary means common, not essential, and optional means not required, not essential. Question 13. For this revision guide nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the chemical messenger released by endocrine glands? Option A, enzyme. Option B, hormone. Option C, platelet. Option D, antibody. The correct answer is option. Hormones travel through the bloodstream and affect target tissues. Enzyme speeds chemical reactions, platelet helps clotting, and antibody targets antigens. Question 14. In a short crash course practice STEM, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A patient education sheet used short sentences, headings, and pictures. Option A, pictures make written instructions unnecessary. Option B, headings reduce the value of information. Option C, long paragraphs are best for patient teaching. Option D, clear formatting helps readers understand health information. The correct answer is option. The sheet is designed to improve readability and comprehension. Pictures make written instructions unnecessary, is not supported by the passage. Headings reduce the value of information, is not supported by the passage. And long paragraphs are best for patient teaching, is not supported by the passage. Question 15. Among the choices in an online quiz item, which increase is shown from Monday 18 to Wednesday 26 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 26. Option B, 5. Option C, 44. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2618 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 16. Using the facts in an answer key question, which dose volume gives 125 mg from a supply of 125 mg per 10 ml? Option A, 1 ml. Option B, 20 ml. Option C, 5 ml. Option D, 10 ml. The correct answer is option. Set up the proportion 125 mg, 10 ml equals 125 mg x ml, so x equals 125 times 10, divided by 125 equals 10 ml. The other volumes reflect errors such as doubling the dose, having the dose, or reversing the proportion. Question 17. Based on the clue in a sample test item, which word is closest in meaning to analyze in a study guide note? Option A, decorate. Option B, examine. Option C, float. Option D, forget. The correct answer is option. Analyze means examine, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Decorate means make attractive, not examine. Float means rest on a surface, not examine. And forget means fail to remember, not examine. Question 18. Consider this high-yield test bank concept. Which answer identifies the cell division that produces gametes? Option A, diffusion. Option B, translation. Option C, mitosis. Option D, meiosis. The correct answer is option. Meiosis reduces chromosome number and produces sperm or egg cells. Diffusion moves particles down a gradient. Translation builds proteins, and mitosis produces identical body cells. Question 19. Near the end of a skill practice review session, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A volunteer program grew after former patients shared personal stories at orientation. Option A, personal stories can motivate people to participate. Option B, volunteer programs grow without communication. Option C, former patients stopped the program. Option D, orientation should never include stories. The correct answer is option. The passage shows participation increased after meaningful stories were shared. Volunteer programs grow without communication is not supported by the passage. Former patients stopped the program is not supported by the passage, and orientation should never include stories is not supported by the passage. Question 20. Across similar learning module nursing entrance questions, which answer identifies the group that does not receive the experimental treatment? Option A, sample. Option B, conclusion. Option C, control group. Option D, experimental group. The correct answer is option. A control group provides a comparison for the treatment group. Sample is the participants or items studied, conclusion is the final interpretation, and experimental group receives the treatment. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the structured test clue, which average results from scores of 60, 64, and 68? Option A, 8. Option B, 62. Option C, 64. Option D, 192. The correct answer is option. Add the 3 scores to get 192, then divide by 3 to get 64. The other choices use the sum, the range, only 2 scores, or an added value rather than the mean. Question 22. From the information in a full practice item, which word is closest in meaning to brief in a study guide note? Option A, short. Option B, lengthy. Option C, bitter. Option D, complex. The correct answer is option. Brief means short, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Lengthy means long, not short. Bitter relates to taste, not length. And complex means complicated, not short. Question 23. At a testing desk during a nursing entrance review, which answer identifies the solution with pH above 7? Option A, neutral. Option B, acidic. Option C, basic. Option D, hypotonic. The correct answer is option. A pH above 7 indicates a basic or alkaline solution. Neutral describes pH 7, acidic describes pH below 7, and hypotonic describes lower solute concentration. Question 24. Inside a pre-nursing prep science or skills item, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A school added quiet study rooms, and students reported fewer distractions. Option A, reducing distractions can improve study conditions. Option B, quiet rooms increase noise. Option C, students no longer needed to study. Option D, distractions are always helpful. The correct answer is option. The result directly connects quiet rooms to fewer distractions. Quiet rooms increase noise, is not supported by the passage, students no longer needed to study, is not supported by the passage, and distractions are always helpful, is not supported by the passage. Question 25. Through careful reading of a verbal practice stem, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A conclusion says a new study method caused higher scores, but the groups were not randomly assigned. Option A, higher scores prove every student studied more. Option B, the conclusion should ignore group differences. Option C, the conclusion may be too strong because another factor could explain the scores. Option D, a random assignment is never useful. The correct answer is option. Without random assignment, group differences may affect the result. Higher scores prove every student studied more, does not follow from the situation. The conclusion should ignore group differences, does not follow from the situation, and random assignment is never useful, does not follow from the situation.